Come on,
is Weeping Rock. So last year I was here, and it was a very, very different experience. Hold on, I should put my hood up, so I'm completely waterproof. Oh my gosh, look at that. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, people were waiting in this last time I was here. There were so many people up here just hanging out. Freaking insane. These walls. Hey. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Like, when you live in Missouri and Texas, you forget that places like this exist. And then you come here and you lose your freaking mind. Jeez. I'm so glad that this path is paved because I'm not looking at it at all. I'm just looking up. And it's incredible. Oh, look. Have a holly jolly Christmas. This is how I like to spend my Christmas. Just hanging out in Zion National Park. Dude, I don't even know. I can't remember exactly in relation where that is, if we can actually go under it or not. Holy. Crazy. This is insane. This is insanity.
Bowling Eyes Rock.
Bowling Eyes Rock. Yes.
The water coming down from that?
Yeah, that would crush you. Are you kidding me right now? Guys, what are we witnessing?
I'm witnessing my heart.
Yeah. Whoa. This is outrageous.
There's no water at all.
That's insane. They just said they were here yesterday and there was no water. This is a little bit different. We are under right now. Whoa. This is Weeping Rock. And last year when I was here, like, that little drizzle is all that there was. This year, it's a little bit different. Yeah. Holy crap! What is going on right now? How's it going? Good. Wow! Guys! my gosh. Oh, just hit me right in the face. All the water is so intense right here. It's everywhere. It's just like, this is insanity. This is not the same as it was last year. Woohoo! Dude, how's it feel to be dry? It's really good to be dry right now. That didn't really help at all, did it? Wow. I am speechless. Ah! Yeah, I can't feel my fingers. Oh, heck.
My hands look freezing though.
Yeah.
Gloves would have been a good call.
Yeah, if you would have had waterproof gloves, that would have been a good call. No. Oh, look at that. Look, it's just like, yeah. I'm just in awe right now. Yeah. Holy crap.
You ever want to know how he wrote one? There you go.
Yeah. I don't understand.
I do. Water. Yeah. Yeah, I saw that.
Wow. I'm gonna follow Jason's lead and take a minute. So I will turn you guys off and I will see you at our next adventure. This is Weeping Rock. Gabriel Michael signing out. Get yourself to a national park. They're unreal. Do it. Tomorrow, buy your ticket. Get out there. Adventure. Now. All right, I'll see you out there. I don't know if I'll ever see this again. There you go, look at that. I don't know if I'll ever see this again. So I'm here, so I don't want to say, man, I wish I would have recorded more, but I didn't because I felt like I was overdoing it. So, you know, that's the great thing about technology these days is even if you feel like you're overdoing it, you just do it anyway. It doesn't matter. You can delete it. You know, if it's just a, oh my gosh, those colors over there. This is my happy place, guys, right here. I just... There's that wind a little bit. Jason and them are waiting for me. I don't understand how amazing this is. I don't have words for it. These are the type of memories and experiences that will create memories that will last a lifetime. We were just talking about, we went to go get some coffee, and it's like, this trip is gonna cost me $500. 500 bucks, that's it. So, come here, spend a weekend in a national park for $500. You do it with some friends, make it a little bit cheaper with hotel and gas and stuff. Totally a life-changing experience. Life-impacting. I know, I'm sorry, I got lost up there. Yeah. What?
You've been a travel blogger.
Well, that's what I'm kind of trying to do, so.
Do it.
Yeah, because if I can actually make money doing this, yes please.
You have a Patreon?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, totally. Well, I try to do a balance of both, you know? But I've had it so many times without my face that you're kind of like, what's the point? So I want to make sure that I'm in it too. first time I was here, I did not do this because there wasn't anything unique. I mean, obviously this place is unique, but like, you come here in the summer, you're gonna get the same thing every time. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, like those guys, they said they've been coming here 5 years and they've never seen this.
Yeah.
So this is literally a once in a lifetime opportunity. If you're not, as far as like normal people go, if you live and work national park, sure, you're gonna see this 2 or 3 times. But as far as us, like, we're probably never gonna see this in my life again.
Exactly.
So I'm like, I might as well film the crap out of this. All it is like gigs on a memory card, you know?
Exactly.
So, and my hands have got to be doing something anyway, so why not filming camera, you know? This is insane. Absolutely insane. Look at that. Yeah.
That's the one we wanted to do.
Yeah. No, this is when I looked and it's like, it's
This is
dangerous.
the black diamond one.
Yeah. It says it somewhere.
Yeah.
Hidden Canyon. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, we're not doing that.
Water. 2 miles per hour.
Yeah. Guys.
Not today. 30 feet in a mile.
Yeah, it's strenuous.
That's insane.
It's strenuous.
Yeah, they said it's strenuous. It's like side holding again.
Yeah.
And it goes up into that little slot up there.
Yeah.
It's crazy. Yeah.
I would love next time.
Add it to the list.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to come back and do the Narrows. So
Yeah, we're gonna come back in summer.
yeah. Wow. I am in awe of this place.
This is normally where you hike in the Narrows. It's actually about a couple miles back. This is just how high this river is. Got a lot of warning signs. We decided to go back and check it out. So we're gonna do these.
Whoa, look at that waterfall over there.